You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to add a custom label or note to a direct message chat on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and go to your direct messages. Find and open the specific chat you want to label. Tap the contact's name or the eye information icon at the top of the chat screen. On the chat details page, look for the option labeled Note. Tap on Note. A text field will appear. Type your custom label or reminder here, such as work project or birthday plans. The note has a character limit, so keep it short. Tap Save or Done to add it. This note will now appear under the contact's name in your chat list, visible only to you. It is a private label that helps you organize and remember the context of conversations. To edit or remove the note later, return to the same chat details page. Tap on the existing note to edit it, or tap Remove Note to delete it. This feature is different from the built-in primary and general inbox labels and allows for personal organization. It works for both individual and group chats. For more simple Instagram management tutorials, subscribe to the channel.